everyone, in this video I'm showing you the application of POLI-FLEX Dimension. It's a three-dimensional HTV which gives you many options to design extraordinary motifs. POLI-FLEX Dimension is pressed at 160 degrees for 25 seconds. So now it's ready. But now it's important that you wait until it's cold before you peel it off. Just remove it and there you go. POLI-FLEX Dimension is now available in these 6 new colors, so now we can create even more exciting 3D designs. So just be creative, just try it out on different fabrics and enjoy crafting.